The sun is the main source of energy on Earth. Plants are called producers because they can make their own food using light energy from the sun. Animals cannot make their own food, so they depend on plants and other animals for food. A caterpillar eats paddy plants. A bird eats the caterpillar, and the bird is eaten by a snake. This feeding relationship between organisms is known as the food chain. A food chain usually starts with a producer, followed by a primary consumer, a secondary consumer, and lastly, a tertiary consumer. Paddy plants can be eaten by other animals, such as rats and grasshoppers. The same type of animals can be eaten by different animals. As you can see, there are many food chains interconnected in this ecosystem, and they form a food web. When a primary consumer feeds on a producer, plants, some of the energy stored in the plants is passed on to the primary consumer. The primary consumer later passes its energy to a secondary consumer, which later passes it to a tertiary consumer. However, not all the energy is transferred in a food web. Some of it is lost when organisms carry out life processes such as respiration, growth, and movement.